GoHighLevel versus Salesforce. Which platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which marketing automation platform is better among GoHighLevel and Salesforce. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel combines CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, and more into a single platform, making it convenient for businesses and agencies. Includes tools for managing client accounts, making it an excellent choice for marketing agencies and consultants. Offers white labeling options, allowing agencies to brand the platform as their own when offering services to clients. Provides integrated SMS, email, and call tracking features, enabling multi channel communication from one platform. Generally more affordable, especially for agencies managing multiple clients. Due to its comprehensive features, GoHighLevel may have a steeper learning curve for new users. While it offers many built-in tools, it has fewer native integrations compared to HubSpot, best suited for agencies, which may not be ideal for all types of businesses. Now, let's come towards Salesforce. Salesforce is a leading CRM platform with extensive capabilities for managing customer data, sales processes, and customer service. Supports integrations with a vast array of third party apps, making it highly versatile. Offers deep customization options, allowing businesses to tailor the platform to their specific processes and workflows. Includes additional tools and products like Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, and AppExchange for extending functionality. Suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, with scalability to match growing business needs. Somehow, the platform's extensive features and customization options can be overwhelming, requiring significant time to learn and implement. Salesforce can be expensive, especially for small businesses, due to its extensive features and add ons. Customizing and optimizing Salesforce may require technical skills or hiring specialists. Choosing between GoHighLevel and Salesforce depends on your business's specific needs and focus. In 2024, the better choice depends on whether you prioritize an all in one marketing and client management platform GoHighLevel or a deeply customizable and scalable CRM system Salesforce. That's all for this video.